Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I'm out on ziyaras. This is Mountain Soar. I don't know if the camera will catch right to the top. I think it is. Right to the top. Apparently it's closed at the moment. We are not allowed to go on the top. And this is when our Prophet went for Hijrah. They stayed here 3 nights with Abu Bakr. So obviously now there's some residence built here as well. And but this is the way. This is the way that goes all the way up. I don't know. As you can see, look, there is some sort of work going on over there which is closed. I don't know, either they're building something. Maybe they're going to build a chairlift for the tourist, or maybe I don't know what they're building, but that is the whole reason it is closed. So this is Gharis, Mountain Soar. Gharis Soar was obviously was here as well. So quick view for you guys, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. So next destination when I go to, I'll send you next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.